Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel.
I'm Joe.
I'm Lisa, and you might know us if you're in the UK from Shop Smart Save Money, which is the TV program. And if you're Jamaican, then maybe you know us from our YouTube channel. And if you're from anywhere else in the world, well, thank you for joining us. On our channel now, we have a series where we interview YouTubers. So far, we've only done
YouTubers, not just any old YouTuber.
Yeah, and so far we've only done Jamaican YouTubers. But from reading the comments from each interview, realize that people want to know more about us as well.
So today, we've recently come upon some of our old photos and videos, and we're going to look through those and share them with you.
From our phones, from our iPads, from the laptops, we're going to just look at photos, share them with you, and hopefully you'll get to know us a little bit better.
If there's anything, by the way, that we didn't quite answer, you still want to know, just drop the comment down below, and we'll answer most of them. Because
we know some of you fast, as Jamaicans would say, and we want to know more than we're willing to tell. But come along with us for the ride. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new, then welcome back. And well, look at these pictures.
Yeah, you see these babies?
Yeah.
You see these two babies? Not us.
We like the look of them, and sometimes we use them as our profile pic on our phones, but they're not us, guys.
I really wish we could find some photos of
some baby pics.
I don't quite remember any memory at all of being a baby, but I do remember being a little child, maybe 4 years old. I don't know how old, but going to church, and our hair always have a plait somewhere tall and hanging down here. I remember my little white shoes used to have bells on.
Yes, I
remember that. But not much memories of a baby or toddler.
Yeah. But anyway, let's look at this one. Look at this. This is the video that we did. It was at church. Oh no, I don't think I was the AY. I don't think I was the youth leader at that time. But we used to have church in the park.
Oh, and there's my son coming up. He swears he's going to be a model too.
Yeah. And he now, by the way, is 22.
Yeah. So this was, he was like maybe 7 or 8 or 9. 8 or 9 maybe.
Yeah.
Then, Alright, Lisa, you're a Rasta girl.
Yes, so I was checking out some outfits that I wanted to plan for school. I was the cultural leader at my school here in the UK as well. And I was checking out some outfits for a cultural day.
Yeah. So you're dressed as a Rasta woman?
Yeah.
Okay. Holidays, one of our favorite things, and we have so many pictures and videos from holidays. We're going to drop some in now that we're looking at of us on holiday, usually in Jamaica, because that's our favorite place to go.
Yeah.
On holiday.
Some like of Morocco as well, us in Morocco, us in Sweden, in Turkey, in
France,
Spain,
so
in
much.
The Cayman Islands. I don't even think I have some from the Cayman Islands, but we've been there, from Turks and Caicos Island.
Yeah, we love traveling. What's been your favorite holiday so far?
My favorite holiday so far, I think, was to SSJG, which is a hotel in Jamaica.
Grand.
Sunset Jamaica Grand. We went maybe 8 years ago.
Yeah.
That was my favorite holiday. Second on the list for me would definitely be maybe not Morocco, but
Turkey. You like that one?
Grand Pasha. The hotel was called Grand Pasha. It was amazing. The hotel reception, when we got there that late night and we were tired, that just lifted our spirits just to see the hotel reception area.
Right, my favorite holiday has to be 3 years ago when we went to Turtle Beach Towers, and we were in a penthouse.
Yeah, we were in the penthouse.
It was amazing. We're at the very top, and the view is looking over. I must look for this photo I have where I tried to capture a ship coming in, so we could look through the window every day, every morning, and see ships coming in and tourists coming off, or tourists boarding and
going back on.
It was lovely. It was beautiful. I'll look for that photo. Oh, you were young here, college days.
Yes. One of my roomies, well, she was my actual roomie at college, but she was my very good friend. She found this in her files and sent it to me.
Which uni?
So it was Micro Teachers College. Yeah, that's where I went to do teacher training.
Rabbit?
And I made that rabbit myself.
Because we used to love sewing. Yeah. Sewing
so we bought the fabric and cut out the little rabbit shapes, cut out the back, cut out the front, sew it up together, leave the little hole, stuff it, put it back.
Yeah. Those were nice days.
More holiday pics.
Yeah, holiday. This one is
Jamaica's mountaintop villa in Mandeville. That was cool and nice.
That was one of the favorites too.
Yes, yes.
All right, cultural events again. We love to dress up in African outfit, representing the Madalani.
Yeah. So this was one of them. When I think we wore this to church. Yeah. Purple and green with the head scarf to match.
Yes. And those days, shove up mouth in the guan.
Yeah.
Take picture.
Out.
Pose for pictures.
Yeah. This one was when we were on the television program Shop Smart Save Money.
Yeah. Some weight loss there. We must get back to those days.
Yeah, true. Yeah. September, when this house empty of all children, anything related to food and children. Gone. Yeah. We're going to go back on our diet.
Yeah.
This also is Shop Smart Save Money. We used to stay mostly in Premier Inn hotels, in some other hotels sometimes as well. But when we stayed in the
sometimes
Premier,
twice or a week or 3 times a week in a different Premier Inn all over the country. Those were really good days.
Really lovely days.
I enjoyed it. There were some long days and you travel
on train and you sleep on the train coming back because you're just so tired from a hard day's work. But it was good.
It was worth it too. It was worth it. Okay. I remember in one of our videos we were saying that Premier Inn is well known for this
all these photos.
Wall hangings.
Wall art. Yeah.
So we always pose in front of one of them.
Yeah.
For a video. Right.
This is at home. I think this is one afternoon after church. Is it?
I don't remember, but tired and hair let out. Maybe it's not after church.
No, because the hair let out. But this is in the conservatory. Yeah. Just sitting down and chilling, and just
getting a suntan.
Yeah. I would take countless amounts of selfie. Always taking selfies.
Yeah. Shop Smart.
This was the
first series.
First series, yeah. So caught on camera by the big camera.
Why we teeth always a Joleisa? If we're not pouting teeth,
your teeth.
My
pout, your teeth.
We really enjoy having a good laugh all the time, no matter what. We always find time to
some fun
joke,
in it, some joke.
Laugh, relax. Because to me that is therapeutic. Guys, if you ever feel stressed out, put on a comedy show.
Yeah.
I remember evening times of grief. What helped me was comedy. Always finding something to laugh about. So if you see us, most times we're laughing.
Yeah.
If you hear us talking, most times we're laughing. See one more there?
Yeah.
Laugh.
Look at here.
Representing the 60s.
Yeah. Soul Sisters. Now this, do you remember where we got these tops from? I don't remember the brand. I don't remember the brand really.
Yeah, but they asked us to model for them.
And we thought these nice colorful tops, they can't go with just hair up in one.
Yeah.
So we say, you know what?
Swells up the hair.
So swells.
So we did our own photo shoot as well.
Yeah.
Set up the camera
and set it up. So we had jackets from them, we had sandals from them, and we had tops from them.
Did we have trousers as well?
I don't remember if they gave us the trousers.
But some other companies. Yeah. So yes, we're always up for a laugh, up for a good time. All right. I'm not going to stay too long on this, but Lisa always catch me asleep. And I return the favor. All right, this one. Outdoors again, fat, laughing, still happy, eating my orange jam bun.
Really?
See my bun there?
Okay.
All right. And these great memories.
Wow, that was one day when we just dress up and go out and said we're going to do a photo shoot.
All right, so here's my youngest son, me, my older son, who's no longer with us, by the way, and Lisa and her daughter Shelly. At that time, we didn't have Julian yet. Yeah. Oh, but that's great memories. And here No look slim, Lisa. No look
This is
slim.
me and Julian, and we were outside of Turtle Towers.
Yeah, across the road. Is it across the road?
Yeah, right across the road from Turtle Towers.
Yeah.
And I think we just walk out to the main road.
We used to buy cheese tricks.
Yeah, cheese tricks, or out to the more main road to go get patty.
Yeah, and there was a man across the road selling jelly.
Yeah.
I think he's from Linstead too.
Yeah, he's from Linstead.
And there was one selling Jamaican rice and peas and beans and chicken.
Just like he made up a song, an Irish song.
Julian was always fascinated. I bet you if we go there, that man is still there.
Yeah.
Selling right across from Turtle Towers.
By God's grace.
Yeah.
Still there.
Hopefully he's still there and doing his business. But that's Julian on one of her holidays with us to Jamaica. That foot is mine. I claim it.
Alright. And look there, dead in with laugh, and I don't even remember what that about. But on the conservatory, and somebody give me some joke, and look there, and then capture it. And that's us posing for selfies again and smiling.
Yeah, wherever, I don't remember where that one was.
It's in here.
Is it in here?
Yeah, that's in here.
Okay. But we always love, you know, getting together, taking photographs, having fun, chill time, relaxing. And it's the most comfortable, honestly, I've ever been.
Yeah.
Anytime I'm down, even when we never used to live together, just check Lisa. Ha.
Yeah, vibes just up once we're together.
Pose for some selfie, chat and laugh and go back, alright?
And see another one here.
The hell you laugh at.
But look for the two head, them like
conjoined
twins.
Alright, at this stage, if you have a question so far about any of the pictures that you've seen, or any of the videos, just drop a little comment. So we'll give you a little chance.
Yeah.
Drop a comment. We're going to put a picture or leave Lisa a picture dead with laugh. But drop a comment if you have any questions for us so far. Alright.
Oh, this is just for laughs. Just posing with me.
Yeah. We'll put some at the end as well. Just some bleeps and blunders for laugh's sake.
Jump over that one. That next one.
Out.
Oh, this one was in Sweden. So, for each of our schools in the UK, we were Comenius leaders, and Comenius is a program that allowed students and staff from different schools in Europe to meet up together, have fun, plan activities, visit each other's country, host students in our own homes, and students host students as well.
Did that for our school.
Yeah, so I was the rep for my school and Jo was the rep for her school. So this one is in Sweden.
And look how little the kids are.
Yeah, I think this was the first trip that we made, first Comenius trip to Sweden.
Yeah, we had a good time. Alright, look out for the bloops and blunders coming up. But while the bloops and blunders are up, if you can think of anything you want to ask us, just drop it in the comments below. Yes, we are twins. We see that question a lot.
Yeah.
Somebody say, are you married? No, we are not. Somebody else say,
do we live together? Yes, we live together.
Which school we used to go to?
The best high school in Jamaica.
The best high school in Jamaica, and it is in Spanish Town. What else people
Which college we go to? Did we go to the same one? Well, no. I went to the best college, which is Michael Teachers College, and Jo went to the second best
female college. I went to Shortwood Teachers College, and those were happy years.
Yeah.
I started college at about 18 or 19. I think one of the pictures shows me in my first year at college. Okay. And I was on the choir. We used to have Mr. Lloyd. Is it
Weber?
No. Mr. Lloyd. I think his last name was Lloyd, not Mr. Lloyd Weber. Anyway, I used to be in the choir, and I looked forward to singing every year at carol service. It was a big event, and our families could come and watch and so on, and all the lectures. Yeah, it was nice. And Marjorie Myers was principal. Principal at Shortwood Teachers College. Those were good years. I grew up, turned more of an adult there and more responsible, and learned how
to cook and clean, and
better.
With more responsibility, because you weren't just doing it for yourself.
But that's true. And interacting with other people, was a good experience as well.
Learning independence, learning how to be strong and focused, and knowing what your goals are, setting them.
Stay firm to your beliefs as well.
Yeah, because in college and universities, there are some who come with the intention to rule you, you know, to run your life and distract you from your path.
Yeah. So we knew what we wanted when we went to college, and we got what we wanted.
Right.
Never skylark, never waste time, never sleep out, never thief way. You know, lots of kids are supposed to do those, but we were focused.
It was fun. Well. You did lots of things that were fun, but we didn't lose sight of what we went there for. Some people lost sight of that, but we didn't. So back to the questions. I can't think of what else they would ask us. But if you have questions, drop them in the comments below. Teachers. We don't teach anymore. We are teachers. Once a teacher, always a teacher. We don't teach anymore. We stopped teaching in 2017 to do what we call retired. We were tired of teaching, so we left that, and now we work for ourselves. At home, we work with brands. We have a blog and a vlog, and that's what we do. So, thank you so much. It's been good looking through these old photos. Well, we have more, but maybe we'll save those for another time. We have a whole lot more. If we find that you're asking things that we have not answered, then we'll look for some pictures to match those. Yeah. But thank you so much for joining us. Please do remember to like, to comment, to share out the video. Anybody and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. We got to our 1K this week, and we're not stopping. We're heading now to 2K. We're on the way to 2K. Peace out.
Yes, yes, yes. Professional paparazzi. Yes, yes, yes. Oh no! And here's the maddest one of the lot. Who let this one out? That's good. Yes, yes, yes. Professional paparazzi. Yes, yes, yes. Oh no! And here's the maddest one of the lot. Who let this one out? That's good.